Hello everyone, I am Maya. Welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about a topic that can literally transform your life, self-confidence. If you stay until the end, I will share practical tips and real stories that will inspire you. And if you haven't already, think about subscribing and activating the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Why self-confidence changes everything. Self-confidence is not just about daring to speak in public or approaching others. It is a driver that can transform your relationships because you dare to be yourself. Boost your career because you seize opportunities without fear. Improve your health by daring to take care of yourself. And most importantly, free yourself from the judgment of others that has been holding you back for too long. Imagine for a moment what you would do if you had self-confidence. Apply for that dream job. Start that project you've been postponing for years. Or simply say what you really think without fear of being judged. Let's take the example of J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter. Before her success, she was rejected by more than 10 publishing houses. If she had lacked confidence, the world would never have known Harry Potter. Another example, Oprah Winfrey. She grew up in poverty and was rejected several times in her television career, yet her confidence and perseverance made her one of the most influential women in the world. And this is not reserved for the elite. I have personally seen ordinary people transform their lives. A shy person who, by working on their confidence, dared to start their own business and now lives off their passion. I will also share a very concrete example, mine. I come from a very tough neighborhood, a harsh, underprivileged environment, the street, where no one would have bet that I would succeed in getting out. For years, I lived with my inner wounds and traumas, which caused even more trauma and awakened even more wounds. But one day, I decided to work on myself with the help of my aunt, who, by chance, introduced me to personal development and helped me decide to heal my traumas, and especially to develop my self-confidence. It is this confidence that pushed me to make a radical decision, to leave the city where I had lived since birth, to start all over again elsewhere. I left for the Swiss border, alone, without any savings, with zero security, just my self-confidence, my courage, and my determination. At first it was extremely hard. I went through struggles, which I like to call challenges. I doubted, but I never gave up. Because my self-confidence was telling me, you will succeed, and today I can tell you that I have achieved my goals and much more. That I live in Switzerland, and that I have transformed my life and even survived death multiple times. If I could do it coming from where I come from, believe me, you can do it too. Here are 3 simple actions you can start today. Celebrate your small victories. Every step counts, even the tiniest one. Surround yourself with positive people. Avoid those who belittle you. Take action despite fear. Confidence comes from doing, not waiting. Here are 3 things that helped me develop this confidence and that you can apply starting today. Face your inner traumas. When you heal your wounds, you release an incredible energy. I made several videos on this one. Go take a look. Dare to leave what no longer suits you. A place, a relationship, a situation, a job. Even if it's scary, it's often the beginning of transformation. Believe in your abilities even when you are alone. In the end, it's you against yourself. Check out my other tip videos with mantras that will transform your life if you apply them daily. And follow my advice. A small challenge for you. Today, write down a fear or a block that you've been pushing away for too long and commit to taking a concrete first step within 48 hours. Even a very small step is a victory. Remember that you are the one who creates the rules in your life. So if it is a victory for you, then it is. The winner's dynamic begins when you respect your commitments to yourself, even if they are very small. Self-confidence is not a gift reserved for some. It is a skill that you can build day after day. And the more you develop it, the more you change your life. Self-confidence is not a luxury. It is a necessity if you truly want to transform your life. My story is proof of that. Even starting from zero with no external support, even in the worst conditions, you can succeed when you believe in yourself. If this video inspired you, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and share it with someone who needs to believe in themselves. And most importantly, stay connected, because I will continue to share my experiences and advice so that you too can achieve your goals. Subscribe, like, and share. Believe in yourself, and everything becomes possible.